Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today is Wednesday, it's my day off. You know, I don't work on Wednesdays guys. Sorry about the noise, I've got the extractor fan on. It's a bit noisy, sorry. Yeah, just making some mushroom. My friend's coming today and I'm making some mushrooms. You'll see what I'm making later, what I'm trying to do guys. And I'm just gonna make some chicken in the air fryer, chicken tikka in the air fryer as well. Just gonna pop that on. Guys, I'm just making this masala, just some bell peppers, tomatoes and onions. You know I'm making mushrooms as well. You know I'm making chicken tikka in that. And now, because I don't have any wraps, I'm just gonna use Shana Parathas later. Got the Shana Parathas. I can't have them because I'm gluten free. I'll just make my own chapati wraps, but this is for my friend, she'll eat them. So I'll have them as wraps. And yeah, just wraps. I'm just gonna do wraps like tortilla. Well, I haven't got tortilla wraps, but I'll do the Shana Parathas. So I'm gonna put that on the side, the masala, the mushrooms on the side as well, and the chicken, and I'm just gonna cut some salad and stuff with it. You'll see it later guys. That's what I'm trying to do. Actually quite healthy guys. Obviously the chicken's in the air fryer. I'm just gonna turn it over a bit. So the chicken's in the air fryer. I'm just shallow frying the peppers and onions. The mushrooms are healthy as well, so it's not too bad. I don't want to cut a salad with it. And probably avocado just avocado gum cola. What? I don't know what it's called actually guys. I'll put it down below. I know the name but I can't pronounce it right now. I can't remember it. Yeah, so I'm just going to do that as well on the side, some like dips and stuff. So yeah, you'll see it later guys. Guys, I'm just making some kind of like veggies. So I cut a few potatoes, I put some peri salt on there, and I'll show you what I put on here. I've used this peri seasoning as well, and peri salt, and I'm just gonna stick them in the air fryer. All ready to go in the air fryer guys, all ready now. And guys, my friend's here. I can't obviously show on camera, but yeah. Just got home, guys. Look how warm it is outside. Oh my god, I've got all my blinds down. I've got everything down because I just want to keep the heat out, and just put my little fan on. I just got home. I just bought some lunch from Chaiwala. I'm just doing a review of this. It's called Papadum and Nachos box. But guys, to be honest, it's a fail. This schema that I've got in there, I put that in myself. Look how it looks. It's basically, there's no nachos, only papadums in there, small mini papadums with some cheese and some jalapenos, guys. What a fail, guys. This is from Chaiwala, right? This is from Chaiwala, and it's not that cheap either, and you could do a better job at home. I could do a better job at home, but because I was out and I thought I'll just give it a try because I heard a lot about it. It's really nice. But what is it, like just a few papadums and some like jalapenos on there, guys, and I just got some lettuce on the side that I'm just gonna add it in myself, and I got some mango chutney to give it a bit of taste. But it's a rip-off. It's an absolute rip-off, and like, they're a bit like soggy as well, guys. Not like crispy or anything, they're like soggy. See, can you even hear the crisp? No, can't believe it. I'll tell you an embarrassing story as well, what happened this morning. I was out. I've got an evening shift later, but I was off in the day today. But I'll tell you what actually happened, guys. I'll tell you later when I'm on my evening shift in my car. I'll let you know what I actually did today and how embarrassing it was. So I had an embarrassing moment, guys. Oh, seriously, guys, you want to know this? But yeah, I'm definitely not impressed with this, guys. I wouldn't even give it a 1 out of 10. You could do a better job at home yourself with nachos and just melt some cheese and put it in the oven or the air fryer, which I've done so many times before. But it's fine, there's food on the table and everything, but I just think it's a rip-off. I also went to Boots, guys, on the way back when I got my lunch. Haven't got much, but I like this bag. Look at the fabric, it's quite nice, isn't it? You can use it for lunch or you can use it for shopping. Actually, keep it in the car. So what I bought, I run out of my cocoa butter. I've showed you this before. It's my favorite to use on my body or my hands, and it's quite moisturizing and smells gorgeous. So got that. What else do I have in this magic bag? Guess, guys, guess my favorite thing. The most what's that word? What? I forgot. Anyway, here you go. It's paracetamol. Oh god, my migraines, it helps my migraines. I don't overdose myself, don't worry, guys, don't you worry about me. But yeah, it's nice to have a pack at home just in case I need it. That was embarrassing, wasn't it? I couldn't get my words out as always, nothing new. And these run out as well, guys. You know, I use more vitamin D a day, and I use vitamin C with zinc as well. It helps me, so I use that as well. And that's about it. And I've got a voucher. What voucher have I got? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the voucher. Okay, I don't really shop at number 7, but save £10 when you spend 20 on number 7. It really wants you to buy something for number 7, but I don't really buy anything for number 7. What else have I got here? What? I've got something else. Oh, okay. I've got a £5. What's that? £5 when you spend £20 in Boots. I might use this. Actually, is it just like in a single trans? Yeah, that's good. I'll probably do that because I do spend a lot in Boots, so I can use that. When does that expire? It expires 18th of, well, don't give you much time, do they? What? No, actually expires 9th of September. That's good. They usually just expire the next month, but that's good. I can use that. Keep that nice and safe. And I've got another one. How many have they given me? Oh, they're giving me 2, guys. Okay, so that's good. I can use them. And that's about it. So I just bought that, and now I'm gonna go on my evening shift, and I'll tell you in the car, while I'm in the car, what the embarrassing thing was that I did today. Guys, my evening shift got cancelled. I'm not complaining because it's really warm today, so I'm just going to my sister's house just to have a little catch up and dropping something off. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you my story. It won't be a long story because I'm just gonna make it really short, otherwise I'm gonna be here forever. Like, you know, I used to have every 3 years I change my car. I used to have my car through NHS every time, and they give you a slightly cheaper price. You still have to pay a month, you still have to pay everything, road tax, everything. That's all included in the payment that comes at your wages. So every 3 years I just change my car, because why not? And you get a brand new car from the showroom, 0 mileage, why not? So well, you're still paying for it anyway, but it's not like it's yours, you can buy it, but it's like yours anyway because you're driving, so it's fine. It's like the PCP thing, or if you get it on finance, the same thing really, but it's just, you know, it works out slightly cheaper. But NHS have changed the company now, so for the last 3 years I had my own car. Well, I bought it from the showroom, but like, you know, on PCP and finance, whatever, I won't go into detail, but I bought it, so I was supposed to have it for 3 years, which I thought this was the last year, because I always have every car for 3 years. So I was excited. I chose the car online. I was about to fill in the form just to confirm it, and if I confirmed it, look at the way Allah helps you. If I confirmed it on that form, I would have to pay for it if I cancelled it. So before I did that, I thought, let me just go to the showroom where I've got a Citroen DS3 at the moment. So I thought, let me go and have a look at the showroom first before I fill that form in for the other car. So what I did, I went to the showroom, I chose the car, Citroen C3. Oh my god, I've got a smaller SUV and that's like a bigger SUV, and I've got sciatica problems, and I pick my mum up from dialysis. You know, I've got a lot of responsibilities with family, so it's good for my back as well. So it was a bit higher, and I was so excited. I was taking videos and photos, and oh my god, I was so excited, guys. I was so excited. You guys know when you get a brand new car, 0 mileage from the showroom, the smell of the car. I sat in it, I start showing off in it, not showing off, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I was excited. And then I chose that car, and he said, oh, I'm gonna speak to my manager. He spoke to his manager, who took photos of this car because I was going to trade it in and everything. And then he said, oh, the manager said you still got a year left on this car. I said, how did that happen? He goes, no, this is for 4 years. I said, oh my god, I was so embarrassed. After all that, I spent ages there, excited, paperwork almost done, and the car, basically I had it for I've got it for 4 years, so I've got it for another year. But you know what, like, I was disappointed. But then he said, okay, if you want to pay £5,000-6,000 you can, and terminate the contract. I said, no, my car's okay, my car's fine, there's nothing wrong with it, so why should I spend that kind of money? Like, I'll just have to wait another year, and the year goes quick anyway. But look at the way Allah helps you. Good job I never filled that form online, otherwise I would have to pay for it, guys, the money that I don't have. But so that was the case, and I was really like embarrassed, and I go, sorry, I didn't know that. Like, it was actually for, I didn't know where to look. I felt like the ground should just swallow me, because I just felt so silly. But you know what, these things happen, so that's why I just thought, doesn't matter, let me go and treat myself. That's why previously you've seen my taste test for that chaiwala, which was a total fail anyway. But yeah, so I just wanted to treat myself and stuff. But yeah, but that didn't go well. So sometimes you have good days and you have bad days, guys, but you know, Allah always helps you, and Allah really helped me. Allah always helps me anyway, but he really helped me again before I made one of the stupidest decisions, and the money, I had to pay all that money that I didn't have. But I'll just wait another year. It wasn't meant to be. This wasn't meant to be the right time for me. Maybe there's a reason behind it. Allah's reasons, you don't know, we don't know, I don't know, you don't know, nobody knows, only Allah knows. And it's probably the best decision ever, obviously, for me. And maybe I'll get a better car, God knows. But I'm gonna put a clips of the video. I won't show the whole video, but just a few clips which cars I was liking at the moment. So have a look, guys.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah. الله أكبر.